Hello everyone, and welcome back to Food Fact for You, the channel where we explore all things related to food and nutrition. Today we're diving into a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz lately: genetically modified foods versus organic foods. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, have become increasingly prevalent in our food supply over the past few decades. These are plants or animals that have had their genetic material altered in a laboratory to enhance desired traits, such as resistance to pests or tolerance to herbicides. On the other hand, organic foods are produced without the use of synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, or genetically modified organisms. Instead, organic farmers rely on natural methods like crop rotation and composting to maintain soil health and manage pests. But why should we consider making the switch to organic foods? Let's delve into some compelling reasons. Health concerns. Many consumers are wary of GMOs due to potential health risks. While GMOs approved for human consumption have undergone safety assessments, some studies suggest potential long-term health effects that have yet to be fully understood. Environmental impact. GMOs can lead to increased chemical usage, as crops are often engineered to be resistant to herbicides. This can contribute to the development of herbicide-resistant weeds and harm beneficial insects, soil organisms, and wildlife. Biodiversity. Organic farming practices promote biodiversity by preserving native plant species and supporting a variety of habitats for insects and wildlife. In contrast, monoculture crops, often associated with GMO farming, can lead to the loss of biodiversity and genetic diversity within species. As consumers, it's essential to consider the impact of our food choices on our health and the environment. By opting for organic foods, we can support sustainable agriculture practices that prioritize soil health, biodiversity, and human well-being. Another fantastic aspect of organic foods is that they often support local farmers and communities. When you buy organic produce from your local farmer's market or co-op, you're not only getting fresh, nutrient-rich food, but you're also investing in your local economy and reducing the carbon footprint associated with transporting food long distances. So, the next time you're at the grocery store or planning your meals, consider choosing organic whenever possible. Your body, the environment, and local farmers will thank you. That's all for today's episode of Food Fact for You. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, remember, eat well, live well. Bye for now.